In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a menu horizontal in default Joomla templates. If you're working with Joomla and want to ensure your website has a clean, modern look with a horizontal menu across the top, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together for achieving this with the default Cassiopeia template in Joomla. First, you want to begin by navigating to the menu section of your Joomla admin panel. Click on Menus and then select Manage. Here, you'll have the option to work with the existing main menu or create a brand new menu if you prefer. Something like Top Menu would work well. This flexibility allows you to organize your site's navigation in a way that makes the most sense for your users. Once you've decided which menu to use or have created a new one, it's time to populate it with the menu items you want your visitors to see. This might include items like Home, About, Contact, Yumsham, and any other sections that are essential for your website. Adding your menu items is straightforward and essential for guiding your visitors through your site efficiently. After setting up your menu items, the next step is to create a new module that will display this menu horizontally. To do this, head over to Content, then Site Modules and click on New. From the options presented, select Menu as your module type. This will allow you to define how and where your menu will be positioned on your website. With the module type set, it's time to fill in some details. Start by giving your new module a descriptive title such as Top Navigation. This helps you easily identify it within your Joomla admin panel later on. Then select the menu you created earlier from the drop-down menu provided. For positioning, choose Menu, which corresponds to the horizontal top position in the Cassiopeia template. This is crucial for ensuring that your menu appears across the top of your site as desired. If your menu includes drop-downs and nested items, make sure to enable the option to show sub-menu items. This ensures a seamless drop-down effect that enhances the user experience. Before finalizing everything, click on the Menu Assignment tab. Here, you can decide on which pages this menu should appear. If you want it visible throughout your site, select on all pages. This step is key for maintaining consistent navigation across your site, no matter which page your visitors land on. Lastly, once everything is set up, click Save and Close to finalize your changes. You should now see your menu displayed horizontally across the top of your Joomla site, adding a polished and professional look using the default Cassiopeia template. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've successfully created a horizontal menu for your Joomla website. This new layout not only enhances your site's aesthetics, but also improves navigation for your users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your website design process.